Alright, so watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps about creating your first course inside Skool. So first, open the Skool.com and logged into a Skool account. To start creating a course, head over to your own community. Here, click on the Classroom tab at the top. Once you're in the Classroom section, you'll see a button that says New Course. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll be able to fill in the basic course info. Start by adding a course title, for example, I'm calling this one Car Fans. Then write a short description that explains what the course is about. Keep it clear and related to what people will actually learn once they join the course. Next, you need to decide who can access the course. You can leave it open so that every member in your community can view it. If you've set up member levels in your community, you can lock the course so only people at a certain level can access it. For example, maybe only level 3 and above get access. You can also make it a paid course by selecting Buy Now and entering a price like $500. If you want the course to unlock a few days after someone joins your community, you can choose Time Unlock and set the number of days. And if you only want a few people to have access, you can choose the private option and give access by entering their emails. Then I'll upload a cover image for the course and click on Save. Once the course is created, now it's time to build it out. You'll see your course in the Classroom section, and you can start adding content to it. Click on the 3 dots next to the course name and select Add Folder or Add Page. You can think of folders like categories and pages like individual lessons. To add content to any page, just click the pencil icon to edit. Let's say I create 2 pages, one called Car Interior and another one called Car Exterior. Inside the editor, you can add text, format it with headers, and include bullet points if needed. So for the Car Interior, I might write a heading like Car Interior, Key Components and Features. You can also upload images. Click the image icon in the top of editor box and upload any image. Also try adding downloadable files like PDFs. Click the Add button and select Add Resource File. Upload any file. Once uploaded, click Save. Now I could list out its parts like headlights, tires, and door and handles. Once that's done, I just click Save, and that section is complete. Now, if you have a lot of lessons, things can get messy. That's where folders help. So let's create one. Click on 3 dots next to course name and select Add Folder. I can name it as Car. Once the folder is made, move both the Car Interior and Car Exterior pages into that folder. Just click the 3 dots next to a page, choose Change Folder, and pick where you want it to go. If you have more themes, you can create more folders to keep everything organized. Once you're done building out each section, don't forget to click the little green check mark to mark it as finished. That's how Skool knows the content is live and ready. Alright, that's a complete walkthrough of how to create a course inside your Skool community. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.